Welcome back to the Supreme wood-fired ovens, and we're down here at the beautiful Swan River, and we have got our little Supremo oven with us. And what we're doing, we're hoping to catch a fish, and well, we're hoping that we catch a fish. What we'll do, I'll show you how to use the oven. We'll light it up and I'll show you how to use it. So this is how it works. So you put the fire in here and put the dragon's breath on it, and away it goes. Now what I'm going to do now is, all you need is a little bit of paper. If you've got a fire lighter, it's even easier, but this little bit of paper will do. I'll light that up. So it's just a small little piece like that. And just pop a few little pieces of wood on top, just like so. And that's how easy it is. I just use normal wood. It's fine. You could use charcoal if you wanted to. What I'll do, I'll just put the dragon's breath on for a minute so to speed it up. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this big one, look at this big one, look at this big one. Whoa. Now that we got the oven up and running, and it's like down to a char grill, it's just nice. By the way, we caught 2 fish, not 1, and we're going to cook up the fish. So we'll put the grid on just like this and put the fish straight on. We've got a couple of beautiful fish here, put them just straight on. And what we'll do, we just put the lid down. And what we're going to get here as well, we're going to get a smoking effect. We're going to get the smoke from the actual fire. We're going to get the cooking. So it's 2 in 1. So this is fantastic. I'm just going to flip these over. Oh, look at that! How good is that? Wow! Now I'll just turn the fish over again one more time, and I reckon another 2 or 3 minutes, and that'll be them beautiful. Cooked, I think, to perfection. Let's taste. Yummy, yummy. Beautiful. Couple of fish, cut fresh. What more do you want than that? And the beautiful Swan River.